Welcome to episode 15 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Today's special guest is Scarface-Trades, and it's only getting worse at this point. This trader was just caught on Twitter faking their numbers for their January statements. He didn't even take the time to do the math right because this is why he got caught. The total didn't add up to how much he made and what his starting balance was. So what did he do? He used Inspect Element. He quickly took that post down. Now, a quick review was I was going to do an episode on him about a month and a half ago. Why? Well, a month and a half ago, he uploaded a YouTube vlog where he was live trading in front of his Discord members and he was using telekinesis. What I mean by that is when he was telling his chat he was scaling out, he wasn't clicking any buttons. There was an AI chip, I guess, in his brain that was connected to his computer. So when he knew he wanted to scale out, the computer knew as well. Well, what exactly happened after he got caught on Twitter uploading fake statements and using Inspect Element? Well, he quickly deleted it and then uploaded a live login where he wasn't showing the URL. Let me show you a quick video or a quick clip of that video, and I'll explain what exactly happened in that live login. So let me explain what he does. So he goes to the actual Interactive Brokers website. This is the legit website, except he's blocking the URL on purpose on Google Chrome. So what he does here is he clicks the date, shows you that Interactive is about to refresh. It does refresh. Then he takes his mouse off the screen so that he can show you that or tell you it's a live account. It's not a demo, but he does that on purpose so that he can correctly edit this and use Inspect Element. So obviously, throughout this video, you'll see that when he ends up clicking the mouse or the arrow down, it'll show the exact same numbers he showed on Twitter, which is all fake anyways because he used Inspect Element again. Now, I reached out to him just to tell him, like, yo, we can get on FaceTime and you could clear the air. He decided not to reach out back and not answer the DM, even though he follows me and I don't follow him. Stay safe. This is just one of the thousands of traders online who are faking their trades. Scarface-Trades is a complete fraud, and guess who he hangs out with? Your favorite traders.